Are you ready for your next student design challenge? This time it's to create a movie poster. A hotly demanded project, I wanted to challenge you to create a full movie poster, complete with movie credits, title, and a theme. Movie posters help sell a movie. They could be dramatic, bold, or very, very subtle. They could be super clean and sleek, or ultra modern and simplistic. The goal of any movie poster is twofold. First of all, it helps sell tickets and to get people excited about an upcoming movie. Movie posters help to pre-sell a movie by giving the viewer just a little taste of the movie plot, characters, or genre without giving the story away. It's an interesting challenge as a graphic designer. Movie posters usually have one main focal point. Even if they have multiple photos or subject within that focal point, there is that one spot on the poster that draws your eye and attention. The goal of this project is to practice layout design. I want to see you balancing the size of the movie title with your main visual focal point. I also want the layout of the movie credits to be in a pleasing way with proper font pairing practices for the actor's name, proper spacing, and size. The requirements for this project is for you to include the following elements in your movie poster: the main title of the movie, some sort of visual. A photo is not required, just some sort of visual to promote the movie, topic, or genre, the main actors' names, and lastly, as a bonus, it's not required, but if you wanted to work in a few lines of extra credits, that may include the head of sound, the director, the producer, etc., that'd be nice to see. I want you to first choose a genre of the movie, whether it's horror, action, romance, but whatever you choose, I think you need to explore poster design further on websites like behance.com by typing in movie poster and seeing the wide variety of design styles represented. Lastly, I want to see you plan out your layout and concept of your movie poster, sketching out on paper, digital sketching app, or just roughly laid out in a design program. Lastly, I want to see your finished product that represents the genre well, the movie plot, and grabs the user's eyes to check out the poster more. I have two options for students depending on how you best learn and how you best want to tackle this project. First of all, you can decide to redo a current movie poster in a different style, or take that movie poster and reinvent how it's presented. Perhaps take an older movie and make it a modern update, or take a popular movie and make the poster more contemporary or simplistic. It's all up to you. Or number two, you can create your own movie title, plot, and idea and create a custom movie poster that's unique to you. This is an extra challenge for those who want to expand their creative skills into concept development. Good luck, and I want this to be an incredibly fun project for you that will help boost your layout and typography skills, perhaps even give you some photo retouching and composition experience. I cannot wait to see your movie posters, so let the show begin.